Hello guys, in this episode of Design Highlight, we'll take a look at Paperblue or Jaichol Park from Songnam-si, South Korea. And so guys, here, there's much less mechanical and sci-fi stuff and a lot more peaceful, traditional rural forest villages and towns. So even though I like a lot of science fiction, I still very much enjoy fantasy and just peaceful, cozy, rural towns as well. So let's go ahead and take a look at some of them. Here we have some nice village scenery. Very epic, beautiful composition and very soft lighting, very peaceful. All right. And before we get into more fantasy world villages, here we got some giant robot painting. All right, here we go. Nice, peaceful village. You guys are going to see a lot of these. So it's always good, guys, to spend time in the outdoors to relax from all the staring at computer screens. So let's look at a lot of these nice fantasy images. Alright guys, that has been Paperblue. Just a lot of really wholesome, cozy, rural forest villages. And I very much enjoy looking at them and feeling at peace. So, link is in the description. Thank you for watching and take care.